What's going on, everybody? I'm Brett Seeley. Today we are in Denver, Colorado, and I am with my buddy
Norma Jean Watkins.
And we are going to show you a few different 2-light setups. When I take a shot, I'll post the unedited over to the side so you see exactly what the shot looks like.
Rock and roll.
Let's go. So I think we showed 5 or 6, I think it's 5 different light setups using 2 lights. One's a 500 watt, one's a 250. Both are battery operated, so that makes it nice, easier to move around. But as you can tell, I'm not using a studio. I'm using a wall in my living room. So if you can kind of visualize, imagine like a 10 by 10 room, and that's how much space we actually used. So you can get multiple looks using 2 lights in a really small room. If you learned something new, if you learned a new lighting setup, please consider hitting on that notification bell and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you want to know what kind of lighting I use, I'll list down below in the description so you can find out if it is something that would work for you. But until next time, we'll see you next week.